It's the mic wrecker, industry self-inspector, lyrical specter, coming in to clear your sector, smoking on pressure, PSIs be off the level, get on my level, you gon' need the bar shuttle, no ball shovel, dig a hole and call inside, ball up in the huddle, I stomp the beat into a puddle, boy you must be puzzled, you're gonna hear what the fuck I'm saying, even if I muzzle, all I got is my muscle, and the pain from the struggle, blood in my veins by the bubble, humble as fuck, I guess I got to show my ass to these suckers. So many fake friends, no I can't count them. I need an accountant, they blood suckers, they Dracula, call them accountant, names astounding. Lot of real niggas beside him, you can understand me, but you will never stand beside him.
Nigga, we the encore, you bubble gum, we real rats to the fucking core. Nigga, we the encore, now bow down to our knees to the fucking floor.
A prequel of what can happen when you take a hobby, make that shit street, get in your zone and spit that shit like hot unsweet tea. Bitch, you not me, you don't spit heat, shitting me. If you gon' top me, you can't block me, I'll stop me. Might change my name to Young Jock the way they job me. These haters watch me, cause they hoes be screaming encore, they want more. I've been around the world but I ain't on tour, ya bitch. Why be my team, I murk ya. YTB bitch, we soldiers, still water whip the coke, palm all them soap and baking soda. Young T, we getting closer, competition getting worse. We came to say the game, kill niggas with these killing verses.
My raps like fucking sermons, shit rap like the Book of Mormons. We fucking shit up, get lit up like you a fucking blunt. My team some killers, you niggas don't want no fucking war. And nigga in there, you bitches gon' have some fucking problems.
Nigga, we the encore, you bubble gum, we real rats to the fucking core. Nigga, we the encore, now bow down to our knees to the fucking floor. Nigga, we the encore, swear to God, by the gods, who won't fucking walk.
I say cheese. Doing 80 on the freeway, my shit on replay. Always keeping it 103, no G's. These niggas must have purchased they style from off of eBay. They made a bad purchase, and you gon' see you clown just finished your last circus. Couldn't get a spark, your mic had a bad circuit. And I'm the circuit breaker, flipping switches, making customer calls to the power station. We been waiting for a minute, and we spent hours waiting, so patient. No hospital, no currency on me, still a hospital. Humble and hospitable in person. On this beats, I'm a different person. Tired from energy exertion, I'm the epitome of working. Grind till both my feet is hurting, at the industry's gates lurking. I'ma make it, boy, I'm certain. Waiting for my chance to surface, regurgitating, burping, perfect verses, irking, murking, bursting rappers, egos with these sermons. Nigga, I'm perfect.
Nigga, we the encore, you bubble gum, we real rats to the fucking core. Nigga, we the encore, now bow down to our knees to the fucking floor. Nigga, we the encore, swear to God, by the gods, who won't fucking walk.
I say cheese.
Herb is risen. These niggas ain't listen, let you speak in the kitchen. I'm speaking riches on riches, that's mad bitches. 2 steps ahead of my dad, that's mad glitches. We at the head of the table, watch how they switching. I'm smoking pokes on pokes, we roll religion. Now all of these niggas is tripping, and all of these bitches is tripping. And all who oppose is foes, but they really bitches. Why you niggas die and cry on ties with bitches? That's death equipped with a bow tie, you bitches. Pyramid schemes, watch how they glitter and gleam. No doctor on this earth can prescribe these bars like these. I pass the smoke, you die and choke, reside in a coffin. I don't do this shit too often. We slaying hoes and killing foes, accepting souls. Niggas sign up for the offering. Niggas sign up for the offering. Niggas sign up for the offering. Bitch. Now play that shit back. Listen to it.